Welcome back now to Saturday Sports Special. Cavaliers are the Jamaica Premier League champions for the first time in 40 years after beating Waterhouse 5-4 on penalties following a 1-1 full and extra time scoreline today. Jamoy Topi gave Cavaliers a 17th minute lead, and 2 minutes later Waterhouse were down to 10 men when their captain Nikolai Finlayson saw red. Cavaliers held that lead until the last minute of second half stoppage time when Damien Binns converted a penalty. There were no further goals in extra time. Cavaliers then held their nerve for a 5-4 penalty shootout win. And we'll have a comprehensive report on the Jamaica Premier League final in Primetime Sports Sunday. Meanwhile, Tivoli Gardens got third place in the competition following a 4-3 penalty shootout win over Mount Pleasant Football Academy after they played out a 1-1 full and extra time scoreline as well. Mount Pleasant actually took the lead through 17-year-old Devontae Campbell in the 27th minute. However, 3 minutes into the second half, former Kingston College standout Trayvon Reed levelled for Tivoli. And with no further goals in full or extra time, the match went to penalties, with each team level at 3 each in the shootout. Campbell missed his spot kick, followed by Rodico Wellington's conversion for Tivoli. Leonard Rankin then ensured the former champions would walk away third after missing Mount Pleasant's 5th penalty kick.